talk today was around the use of drones, particularly in a commercial aspect, and how they represent a new project management tool for us as project managers to use going forward in changing the way we control and manage and look after projects, using the emerging technology that's coming out at the moment and capitalising on various other angles to do with the drones and the data that they collect, and how you can use that to build a really enriched picture of what's happening on your project. Drone technology is a mega trend. It's all about the data that a drone collects, taking that data, analysing and processing it to create business insights and tangible benefits for organisations. There are various different schools of thought on exactly what are the defined emerging 8, 14, 12 megatrends and technologies that's coming out. But drone technology is all around unmanned aerial systems, and it's using technology to get the data and then using artificial intelligence, robotics and other parts of it to combine together to get that cross solution. A current example is capital projects, capital delivery. So using drones right the way through the life cycle of the capital projects, from the planning stage where you survey the land, understand exactly where are you going to build your infrastructure, what are the impact that's going to have on the local residents, using it as stakeholder management and using it for the planning stage, through to then when you're actually doing the construction phase, understanding what's going on, adherence to design, adherence to schedule, budget, quality control, through to business as usual and using it for asset maintenance, because you've got that golden record that was taken at the end of the project that you can reflect back to and see how is the asset degraded, what is our predictive maintenance schedule going forward. It's a really exciting and interesting opportunity for lots of project managers to get involved, and actually there's lots of parallels probably in their current work that they're unaware of and applications that they may not have thought of. So it's something to really embrace and to understand and get ahead of the curve of.